The slip-on was the very first upgrade that I looked for my Ninja 400. Even before I bought it, I was looking for it. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. But now, I just want to have a peaceful ride, man. Hey, what's up, y'all? I found that I prefer my stock muffler over the aftermarket pipe that I've had on for 2.5 years. Now, I think a lot of people would disagree with me, and I'm not trying to persuade anyone either way or not. This topic is very personal. This goes deeper into like what you want to accomplish while you're riding a motorcycle. For me, I want to feel like a meditative state. Like, I'm such a hippie on a bike, dude. Like, I want to get to a state of mind where I can't get to in any other activity in life. I find that pipe was just harshing my mellow. So this is the pipe that I had. This is the Leo Vince LV10. It's a perfectly good pipe. It sounds awesome. It's really badass. It's a little bit of a straight pipe until I put a baffle in it, even a DB killer. But I still didn't like it all that much after 2.5 years. I really liked it at first, and it does sound great. And I'm not saying it's a bad pipe, but it just wasn't fitting the riding style that I was doing, that I wanted to accomplish. Now, look at the stock muffler compared to that. Dude, this thing is huge and bulky and heavy and ugly, and it's dead silent. But I find that it works better for me because long rides, the droning sound of a loud exhaust, it just exhausts me. exhaust, haha, dad joke there. I put the stock muffler on last week, and I went for a couple rides with it, and I find I'm way more at peace. I feel way more free on the ride, and I like it a lot better. Here's some footage from just a couple days ago on a little 20-minute ride after work, and this is what I had to think about it. But see, normally I'd just be kind of drowned out by the sound of that. Now I feel like I'm in nature a little bit more. I'm zenning out on the ride. Like, I feel free and at peace. Like, I don't have to just listen to the pipe all the time. It sounds great when you're just like turning it on and idling and revving it or something. But when you just have to listen to the pipe non-stop when you're riding, dude, it just gets so old so fast. Try your stock muffler out again if you got an aftermarket one. See if you like it. And when I say like it, I don't mean like trying to sound cool for people. I mean like go on a long, hour-long ride and see if at the end of the ride you liked it a little better than the loud aftermarket pipe you got. I'm rolling with earplugs anyway because of the wind noise. But even with earplugs in, dude, I just couldn't do that like aftermarket pipe after a while. It was just so freaking loud and drony. And I don't have any of that anymore, and I feel so much happier for it. So just such a simple thing. My riding experience is a little bit more about getting into like a zen meditative state than to be flashy and cool and like have a badass pipe that sounds cool. There's also something to be said about the zen, like peaceful, just relaxed flow you get from a ride. I'm just doing like 20-minute ride after work, man, and I get in such a good, peaceful state, just cruising around a little bit, especially after a long drive home, working hard. You hop on the bike for 20 minutes, the last thing I want to hear is a loud. All I want to do is just feel the ride, dude, not hear a bunch of loud noises. And here's a quick poll. You can really hear the intake note on the bike instead of just the exhaust note. And I really like hearing the intake note. So all that being said, you do you, man. If you prefer aftermarket pipes, man, go for it. But y'all tell me what you think about in the comments. Do you like your aftermarket pipe or do you like your stock mufflers? There's no really right answer, It's all how you feel and what you're riding for. I just love to hear what everyone else thinks when they ride, and this could apply for more than just a Ninja 400. this could apply for just about any bike, you know, because most stock mufflers these days are pretty quiet. And I feel like a lot of people straight away just upgrade their stock muffler and trade it for something louder. And I get that. I was there, but I'm not there anymore. Thank y'all for watching. See you on the next one.